In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving average on MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confidently add this popular trend indicator to your chart. Let's start from your MetaTrader 5 platform, with a price chart already open on your screen. The moving average is an indicator that helps you smooth out price data so you can more easily see the underlying trend, instead of getting distracted by every small price movement. To access it, we're going to use the main menu at the top of the platform. First, move your mouse to the top of the screen and click on the Insert menu. This menu is where MetaTrader keeps most of its tools for adding indicators and other objects to your chart. When you click on Insert, a drop-down list will appear. From this drop-down, hover your mouse over Indicators. Don't click away or move too quickly here. As you rest your cursor on Indicators, another side menu will open. This is where MetaTrader groups all the different types of technical indicators you can add. Within that side menu, look for the category called Trend. The moving average is considered a trend indicator because it helps you identify the direction and strength of the current market trend. Move your mouse over Trend and click on it. This will open a list of all the built-in trend indicators available in MetaTrader 5. Now, from the list that appears, click on Moving Average. As soon as you select it, a settings window will pop up. This window is where you can customize how your moving average behaves and looks. Even though the original instructions stop at clicking on moving average, it's helpful to understand what you're seeing here. In this window, you'll typically be able to set the period of the moving average, which controls how many candles or bars it uses to calculate the average. A smaller number will make the line react more quickly to price changes, while a larger number will smooth it out more. You can also usually choose the type of moving average, such as simple or exponential, and pick the color and line style so it stands out clearly on your chart. Once you're happy with your settings, you simply confirm them, and the moving average line will appear directly on your chart, moving along with live price data. That's all it takes. Click Insert, then Indicators, then Trend, and finally Moving Average, and you've successfully